Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something that, well, it can be a really big moment for people. Taking a pregnancy test. We're digging into some data from the website Blood Test UK, and we're going to focus on how this all works for people right here in York.
It's a great topic because when you think about it, most of us just picture that, plastic stick you use at home.
Right.
But the information from Blood Test UK shows that a blood test is a completely different thing. It's not just a yes or no. It's really about health and safety.
Okay, so let's unpack that. Why is a blood test so much better than, the one you buy at the drugstore?
Well, it all comes down to what it's looking for.
Okay.
Both tests are searching for a hormone called HCG. It's what your body starts making right when a pregnancy begins.
HCG, got it.
But the home test needs a lot of it to show a positive result. It's kind of like waiting for someone to shout from across a room before you can hear them.
Oh, I see.
A blood test, though.
Yeah.
Hear a whisper.
I love that analogy, so you can find out the answer much, much sooner.
Exactly. Blood Test UK says the test can work just a few days after conception. You don't even have to wait to miss your period.
Wow.
But here's where it gets really important. It doesn't just say positive. It gives you a number.
A number? What does that mean? Why do we need a number?
That number tells a story. In a healthy pregnancy, the amount of that HCG hormone should roughly double every 2 days.
Okay.
So by getting an exact number from the blood test, a doctor can see if things are progressing the way they should be.
So this is really about safety then, not just curiosity.
That's it, exactly.
Yeah.
If that number is, say, too low or not rising correctly, it might be a sign that the pregnancy is in the wrong place.
Oh, like an ectopic pregnancy.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Which can be very dangerous.
Yeah.
This test helps doctors catch that possibility extremely early, way before you'd feel any symptoms.
That's a huge benefit. Now, I also saw in the notes from Blood Test UK that they check for other things at the same time.
Yes, that's right. Since they're already taking a tiny bit of blood, they also check your blood type. And they can screen for certain infections just to make sure everything is healthy. It's like a mini checkup for you and the potential baby, all in one go.
So let's talk about the process. For our listeners in York, is this a whole big ordeal, a trip to the hospital?
Not at all, and that's the best part. You just book an appointment at a private clinic right there in York.
It's quick.
Super quick. You're usually in and out in about 15 minutes. It's all very discreet and professional. It follows all the strict UK and NHS safety rules.
And here's a little tip I saw that I liked. You don't have to skip lunch. No fasting.
That's right. You can eat and drink normally. In fact, they recommend you drink some water beforehand. It just makes everything a little bit easier for the nurse. It's so simple.
Okay, so the test is done. How long do you have to wait for that all-important answer?
The results from Blood Test UK usually come back in about 1 to 2 days.
So a little slower than the instant stick.
A little slower? Yeah. But the information you get is so much more certain. You get clear facts, not a faint line that you have to squint at.
That definitely seems worth the short wait. It's fast, it's safe, and it tells you so much more about your health.
It really is the best way to know for sure and to know early.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the info from Blood Test UK. It's amazing what you can learn when you look a little closer.
It really is, and it sort of leaves you with a final thought, doesn't it? If a simple blood draw can tell us so much so early, what else could we learn about our health if we just stopped guessing and started testing?